Hello, my name's Peter Melton, and seems we're finding ourselves in such interesting times these days, especially politically, where there's so much divisiveness. There's so much feeling like there's a battle going on between two sides, and we need to come from a different place in order to handle the issues of the day. We need to co create a peaceful way to govern ourselves, to live on this planet, to coexist with each other. And so, to assist us with that, I offer an addition to the old peace sign, an upgrade to the two finger peace sign that's like a peace sign 2.0, where we take this old two finger sign that originally stood for V for victory, and we make it about unity. We make it the unity sign, where those two individual sides remember that they're actually connected, that they're part of one family, they're part of one planet and one future. And as we remember that connection and we land here in the heart space, we can come from a new loving place about that connection, express ourselves with unity consciousness into the world in a more peaceful way. There are many more voices on our political scene now that are speaking to this truth, that we have to come up with a different way of governing ourselves on the planet. And I think that the key piece that's missing in peace is that we've somehow forgotten that we're all connected. We're not two sides trying to figure things out. We're one family. We're one species on one planet trying to some degree, oversee all the species. And we're not doing that great of a job. If we could just admit that and say that we need some different voices. We need some different energy around peace. We need unity and oneness connected to our feeling of peace, that we can get along, that we can figure out a right and just and peaceful way to govern all the species on our planet. So I ask you, politicians, and everyone on the planet, please dare to reframe, redefine what peace means to you, to include our unity. Use the unity sign. Help spark the conversation so that we can be talking about this all-important issue as we face these challenging times. Thank you. The unity sign.